What is up guys, Tana this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add an audio to a video in Canva. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the home page, here you need to click on video, and after that you need to choose a video template, and then you can upload the video that you have in your PC storage downloaded. But if you don't have any of the video downloaded, you can just simply choose any of the pre-built or inbuilt templates which are given by Canva. Simply click on any of the template that you like, and in the new tab, this video template will open. Now to add an audio to it, here on the left side at the bottom, you will see the button to add audio. But if you can't see the button to add audio here on the left side, you can click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can click on audio. After clicking on audio here, you can just choose any of the audio track that you like. If you want free audios, you can click on music free. After clicking on music free, here you will see multiple music tracks, and all of them are free and given by Canva themselves. So let's say I like this track. I'll click on it once, and then as you can see, the track has been added to the timeline. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.